How about all these eggs? My God. You want to learn how to raise little chickies? Come along with me. Here's our last bunch of babies. Hi, welcome to my world. I have a lot to show you. A lot. When I was younger, I used to think I loved to garden, and I did out of pleasure. And oh, wouldn't it be nice to raise some chickens? Just for fun, just to see if I can do it. Now I'm doing it out of necessity, and I'll show you. I'll show you. And rabbits. I used to have rabbits all the time when I was little. They were cute little fuzzy little things that I played with, and you know, me and my brothers and sisters would have fun. Now I'm raising them out of necessity. A lot of things I'm doing nowadays, I'm raising out of necessity. Gardening is a big part of it. I have a family that has to eat, and we're not going to eat out of the store. No, we're not going to eat out of the store. Not if we can help it. I have meat rabbits, which if you continue to follow my channel, I'll let you learn about meat rabbits. I'll teach you about meat rabbits, and meat rabbits, oh my God, it's like a delicacy now. Not if you raise them now. And chickens. Chickens are really a necessity now. I just used to dream about having chickens and playing with them, and now I rely on them. The eggs I showed you is just a necessity to have. You can't depend on what's out there outside your house. You have to start within your house, and that's what I'd like to show you. It's hard, it's tiring, but it's so worth it. And not only am I going to be talking about homesteading, which is basically what I'm doing, I want to talk about the world and what is going on with this world nowadays. I feel like I'm in like an alternate reality or something. Like, is it real? Is this stuff really happening? You know, with the tariffs, and okay, we raise the tariffs on China. China turns around and raises them back. I feel like we're in a poker game, but it's for real. And I don't want to get really political, but we will be going there because that's just part of homesteading. You have to be well-rounded, well-informed to see where you're going in life. Yeah, and that really grates on my last nerve. To have to think, you know, I have to do this. I have to get up every morning and go feed the chickens and check on the rabbits, and oh, you got to process the rabbits, you got to clean your eggs, you got to raise and incubate and hatch and raise more babies. You got to turn your living room into I don't even know what you call it, a forest, a foodery. I don't know. My whole front yard is full of garden beds, and there's no pretty flowers out there. There is. I'm lying. I have a lot of medical herbs, which is another thing that we'll be getting into. That's a big part of homesteading. Very big. I'm studying right now to become an herbalist. You never know when we're not going to have the stuff that we need to keep ourselves well. And that, again, is a very, very scary part of life. Nowadays, you know, sometimes I wake up and I'm like, I don't want to do a grown-up today. I don't want to. I don't want to be a grown-up today. No. But unfortunately, I have to be. And so do you. Yeah. I mean, there's a lot of people who has their head in the sand, to put it nicely. And, you know, I talk about stuff with different people and they're like, what, are you crazy? Put your tin hat on. No, there's no tin hat. In this world nowadays, you have to do what you have to do. And you have to provide for your family. And God forbid, don't let those naysayers bring you down. No, you can't. You just can't. I mean, I thought many, many years about starting YouTube videos, and I thought, oh, let me do it on makeup, or let me do it on my hair, and how to take care of your hair. No, that's not a reality anymore. It's wondering where I'm going to get my news from that is real, like the mainstream media. Huh, what a joke. What a joke. I have to go to YouTube. And I have my favorite channels to go to so I can find out exactly what's going on in this world. Because you're not going to get it from the mainstream media. I mean, the news, they don't even give you the weather, really. Oh, believe me, I'll be going there too. I'm going to keep this short, and hopefully you'll follow along. And hopefully with the things that I show you, or that I'd like to show you, that you can maybe learn from it and maybe become self-reliant, or just an out-and-out lunatic who wears a tin hat, like they say. Who knows? I don't know. But I tell you what, I have a lot of information and a lot of knowledge, and I'd like to share it with you guys. So, with that being said, and I promise you my videos will get better, because this is the first video that I'm ever doing. But as we come along, as you can tell, I can't speak either. But as we go along, hopefully you'll enjoy my videos. You'll like them. Subscribe to me, please. And share my videos. You know, if you learn something, maybe somebody else needs it. Maybe it's time to stop thinking about doing hair or putting on makeup. That's not the world nowadays. Although, at the end of the world, you'll be looking good, but you'll be hungry. You won't know where your food's coming from. You won't know how to feed your family. And you will be relying on that out there, which is scary. Food stores, no. Government, I don't know. I have a lot of my views on the government, but that's in another video. So, like, subscribe, and share. And I hope you have a great day, and God bless. And please, please, be safe out there. Have a good night.